Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are having some nice smoky butter jollof rice. So let me take you through the ingredients. In here I've got my bell pepper that I've put in the oven for about 10 minutes to get it this way. And on here I've got butter, which is 10 grams. And in this bowl I have chicken stock. And in here I've got about 6 onions, 1 red onion, and ginger and some peppers. So I've got about 4 peppers. You have to use the habaneros. It's hot, so you have to choose what you want, like how many you want. And I've got curry powder here and tomatoes, steamed tomatoes, and I've got tuna. This is my oil and salt to taste. So come with me and let's cook this together. Because I'm making a lot of stew today, and I'll divide them into 2 or 3. Save them in the freezer for another day, so I don't have to make jollof rice stew every day that I have to cook. So I'm making a lot. Okay, so guys, I am going to add water to help it blend. So guys, while I'm going to blend the bell peppers. I will add in the tomatoes. So yeah, let me put this one in. So now I'm gonna add in my tomato and the bell peppers. Alright guys, this is 20 minutes in the cooking time and our stew is almost done. The good thing about using tomato paste is it cooks quicker and the smell is so amazing. I hope you try this recipe and just give me a feedback. Thank me later. So now we are going to add in our spice. And in this little bowl I have got rosemary, Maggi cube and bay leaves here. Doesn't need too much spices because the bell pepper, the smoked bell pepper is giving it some beautiful aroma here, so we don't need to add too much spice to it. Now we are going to add in some curry powder. I like curry powder in my jollof rice. 10 more minutes cooking time, then our stew is done. Then we add our chicken broth, then we put our rice in it. So now our stew is ready. I'm going to take some and save it for another day jollof rice because I'm not going to use the whole of the stew. So now guys, we are going to add in our chicken stock. Whenever you cook your meat, any meat, beef, whatever, just save your broth. And whenever you're cooking jollof rice, just add it to it and it gives it a very nice taste. So now we add our chicken broth. We are done. We taste for salt. If it's okay, then we add in our rice. So guys, now I've turned the gas off. I'm gonna take some of the stew for my next jollof rice. So this is how I make it. Then I save some. Then to save me all the hassle next time, I just have to put this in there and off I go. get a very nice tasty jollof rice, guys. Don't add a lot of rice. See to it that your stew and the rice is somewhere like this, so at least when it's cooked it's quite nice, so the rice is not too much than the stew, if you get what I'm trying to say. So this is it. So now, guys, you can see the rice has really mixed with the stew nicely. So now I'm going to add in my water. I've left it on for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water for stir. Thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the video. This is how I prepare my nice smoky jollof rice, and it's done. So this can be your party jollof rice. Now we are almost out of lockdown. You can make this for your friends and family and enjoy it. So if you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share and like with your friends. God bless you all for your support. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.